Yep. Well, I've got 3 of these things done. Maybe. See some work in there I could probably do. Probably. Yeah, probably should. So 2 9/10 done. This one's all done. This one looks like a Holstein cow. And of course what you see here are all the low spots. The high spots that have been sanded down. This was the fender that was really screwed up. The one that I took a lot of time to hammer out some stuff, and was full of Bondo before, like 2 inches, 3 inches in some spots. And I've kept this as thin and as light as I can for the Bondo. This probably has about 13 hours or so into it. And yeah, this one was quite a lot of work. I've also done, like I said before, the inside of that's fiberglass and not rust. And I got a spot, where is it, here, that I've ground down. Once I repaint the inside, and I'm not going to paint this body colored, I am instead going to do the rubberized undercoating. You'll never see or never even notice these not really done out spots. This one is done, ready to go. I suspect, maybe not. I see a little spot, but I don't feel it, so who knows. Once the primer's back on, I'll sand all that down and get it nice and smooth anyway. This one had no issues on the inside. Some dust there. And I've managed to finish that out. Not bad. Then there's this one. Let's see. This was the... Alright, so this is the hole that was where the antenna was. What else did I repair on this that I'm proud of? Well, that wasn't it. Was it over here? I don't remember. God damn. Oh, here's the antenna hole that I had repaired that I'm proud of. Yeah, that's real nice. These are 2 braze wells that I thought I was done with this morning, but I ran my hand over everything and found these 2 bumps. I just ground those right out and filled those, and now this is done. Oh, yeah, well, I've got some other stuff to pull off of there. That's not tough. Maybe some stuff up in here too. Oh, I already said that one. And then my last fender. I've done no work to this except put the Bondo on there. And it'll take me another couple hours to sand this stuff down. I'm doing it all by hand. Sand all this down where I can judge the low spots and reapply as I need to. This here covers the seam for where I welded on the new piece. That's the dog leg repair. And as you can see, I've made almost no attempt to repair this crappy metal here, mainly because it's going to get covered. You won't see it, so I'm not going to put any effort into it. And that is about it, at least for tonight. Yeah, I'm not too displeased. So after this, like I say, I'd forgotten to look at or otherwise do the doors. There's one up there, and there's one over there. So I'll prime those and check those for smoothness and everything else. The trunk lid and the hood are dead stock straight. I took great care not to take any dings out of them, but we'll see. Actually, the bottom here, that discoloration in certain spots denotes high and low spots. And I see some work here that I'll need to do, maybe. Like I say, all I need to do, hold my beer, is prime this. And then block sand and see where those low spots are. That primer that I've got is some high build stuff, and it's good stuff. good shit, yo, as they say. So I've got probably 2 more days. Today's Wednesday, the 18th or 19th of September. I forget the date, but I've got probably Thursday and Friday to finish up on this. And then I'll prime these things. Probably on a Saturday. Yeah. If I finish this up on a Friday night, I'll just stay up and prime everything together so it's dry enough to fiddle with in the morning. And see how it goes. There's a spot I need to... Oh, no, it's just dust. Yeah. To my knowledge, there's nothing toxic about the Bondo dust, but I wear this stuff so I can clean up faster. That, and it does leach out moisture from my hands, and I end up dried out cuticles and everything else, and it's painful. So that's why I wear this stuff. I don't know if it's necessary for my health, but who knows. And that, as I say, is that.